Many men spend hours in the gym building abs, arms, and chest, but forget about the most important muscles, the pelvic floor muscles. These deep muscles are responsible for strength, endurance, vitality, and overall male health. When they become weak, problems appear. Difficulty urinating, low energy, poor libido, and blood stagnation in the pelvic area. But once you start strengthening them, your body becomes more stable, energy returns, and your masculine power grows. And the best part, you don't need heavy workouts or equipment. Just 5 minutes every morning in one simple position can activate these muscles and start the body's natural recovery process. Today, I'll show you a simple yet powerful exercise, the butterfly pose, also known as Baddha Konasana. It comes from yoga, but in recent years, physiotherapists have been using it to restore men's health and prevent prostate problems. How to do it. 1. Sit on the floor with your spine straight. 2. Bring the soles of your feet together and pull them closer to your groin. 3. Let your knees fall open to the sides, like butterfly wings. 4. If it feels uncomfortable, place cushions under your knees. 5. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Now simply stay in this position for 5 minutes, breathing calmly and mindfully. On each inhale, gently tighten your pelvic muscles as if you're trying to stop urination. On the exhale, completely relax. This activates the inner pelvic muscles that are rarely used in daily life, but they play a key role in sexual function, prostate health, and even posture. What happens inside your body? Blood flow to the pelvic organs improves. Stagnation decreases, helping prevent prostatitis. Bladder and bowel function normalize. Testosterone and energy levels rise. The lower back becomes stronger and more stable. Regular practice also reduces stress, improves sleep and focus, because better circulation means better oxygen supply and a calmer nervous system. This simple routine doesn't require effort, only 5 minutes of your time, but the effects come quickly. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and stronger from within. Men who practice this pose regularly notice better erections, greater endurance, and a steady boost in overall vitality. And it's not magic, it's physiology. When your pelvic muscles work properly, blood circulates better, and your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. You don't need complex workouts, start small. 5 minutes every morning, and you're already taking a step toward health, confidence, and lasting strength. Subscribe to Healthy Nation to discover more natural ways to boost your male energy, improve vitality, and protect your health for years to come.